Hello everyone, this is your daily serving of internet cats.
Okay. Yep, I'm just oh my god.
Where's my mommy? Where's my mommy? She's hungry. Where's your mom? Where's your mama?
Hungry for violence. The little secretary is pretending to be busy.
For Jesus and finding the people around too many for them to get.
Don't bite his tail.
What's going on? Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Hey buddy, I can't let you outside because you'll invade Poland, so I really can't do that. You're gonna have to stay inside.
The plant isn't even catnip. That is one good stretch.
Excuse me, black pussy. Where have you been? I've been looking for you. Oh my goodness. Where are you going now?
Tell her what you told me. Exactly.
He's running a grooming business.
Come on, Henry. Come on, Penny. We need a good video.
I think he's trying to play the song.
What are you doing?
Ти тут, здоров.
In addition to the grooming service, He owns a massage parlor.
Funny.
What's wrong with these cats? Like to grow, 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 like to grow.
Dinner to go, anybody?
He's accepted it too.
I literally just put fresh litter in here. I can't win.
She is getting her 100 brush ritual done.
She's purring so loud, she's so happy. Can I pet you? Okay. What?
The sign says, "Do not pet the cat. She bites."
La madre que te parió. Ay, 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 ay. Estás hostiado.
The moment he realized that he's a cat,
What you want? Nope.
On a walk, being chased by a little fur ball. Where are you? There he goes.
She looks ready. Go.
Okay.
Как с тобой жить? Я не знаю, что с тобой делать. Путик, ну что с тобой делать?
sleeping like he pays rent.
What are you doing?
See, I get playlist.
Hates water, but loves ice. Letting her mom know how hard she can punch.
The bar lady surely will put that pressure on. Oh, no, 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 no. That's going to cost production.
Dude, you have a sticker on your face. I'm just trying to get it. Hey, ow!
Frugivore cat and carnivore cat.
You thinking? Did I bother you?
Cats could smell milk 100 feet away.
我就完全追不上的。不要。
Such a nice cat. Nice cat.
Yeah. Literally just watch gut wear down. Alright. Whee!
The milk made his claws come out in ecstasy.
No, you jumped over these double baked potatoes.
People climb this mountain to seek his wisdom.
This is not my cat. This is not my cat. Why is he wagging? Okay.
I wonder where he kept the rest of the head. She's here every day exactly at 7 a.m. for breakfast. Suddenly, sleeping beside the food is not sus at all.
Muy bien, Dano, dale. ¡Ay, qué choto que eso! El único árbol que hay te lo venía a tragar.
They were all grounded.
You're teaching me how to smile.
Your coworker that won't stop bothering you. Helping mom with the garden. This is how he mastered pouncing on the baby. He's only going to serve the couch. Morning slap for everyone. That is the end of this video. I really hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you again very, very soon. Later.